before nag-enroll kami, production was 7 million ang production group. After nung first month ng program, umangat kami to 19 million production. Then next month, umangat to 28. Tapos after the program, now, tinarget setting talaga namin was 30 million. Nagtali kami ng 37 million. So counting hanggang yung 30 million na nagiging consistent sa target. So malaking output.
Never happened to us. We delivered the 15.6 million sales. Normally our average is only 10 million per month. And I'm so thankful for this CMB seminar.
Sales namin as a team, significantly lumaki talaga.
Benny Flores sa paghatid niya dito ng kanyang libro.
You have to deal with yourself. The self-concept.
Benny Flores as a speaker, una magaan ang dating at maganda yung rapport niya sa tao. Yun ang nakita ko na naging advantage niya sa mga naging speakers namin dito sa Green Circle Realty.
Magaling siya. The way he speaks, he gets the message across.
So Coach Benny, ang 90-day period pala talaga ay 90 days.
Yes. Pero sa actually sa tinevelop namin technology ngayon, possible na ngayon. Hindi na kailangan paabutin pa ng 3 months.
Okay.
Actually, in 5 minutes, pwede natin i-disassociate ang negative emotion from the negative.
Pero kahit na ordinary person will benefit from this training, especially yung one-on-one, kasi total development yun eh. Kasi
in 2 years time, hindi ako nagiging top. Pero yung nakilala kita, saka yung mga naturo mo sa akin, mga techniques na kailangan kong gawin kung paano ko makuha yung pagiging top. Salamat. Salamat coach at nakuha ko ang pagiging top.
I got more sales, especially when he taught me about law of attraction. Napakagaling niyang mag-motivate ng tao. Makikita mo talaga na true enough kung ano yung sinasabi niya, meron siyang talagang Bible base na pinapakita. Kaya magaling talaga si Sir Ben.
Coach Ben, napakaganda yung tips mo yan. Salamat na marami sa ating oras. Ano ha?
Maraming salamat din po sa inyong tatlo kayo dyan, Eden, and Maverick. Kamusta po sa inyo lahat? Sa lahat ng nanonood ng Eden.
Mabuhay po kayo, Coach Ben.
Marami ako natutunan sa kanya. Naiiba yung seminar niya kumpara sa iba.
How you got into transformation ng coaching?
Siguro mahabang story, no? But let me start dun sa...
Marami kang matutunan na mag-i-improve yung sales mo, yung performance mo, at saka yung pagkatao mo.
I first met Coach Benny Flores when I attended the seminar he conducted exclusive for our company. Since then, I became his follower. I just applied almost everything that he taught, and it helped me to have a bigger sales and a better life. And now I am driving my own car, which I never thought I could achieve. I recommend everyone to attend his seminar because it helped me and it will help you too.
Highly recommendable yung kanyang program dahil masaya ang training. At the same time, ang daming bagong natututunan. Kaya napaka-excited ng mga participants. Kaya highly recommended sa lahat ng magustong magkaroon ng bagong kaalaman, lalo na dun sa tinatawag na mindsetting. Kasi importante ang mindsetting. Ano man ang activity na gusto natin gawin.
Very well recommended. Actually, nirecommend ko sa mga tao ko.
Salamat.
It took me about 9 years sa trabaho to manifest my dream. And it took me about 9 months lang dahil sa turo mo. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo ng napakarami at sa lahat ng tinuturuan.
Kay Sir Benny, thank you.
Marami ka pang matutulungan tao. Good luck.
Sir Benny, thank you.
Highly recommend.